Saving money in Korea can be achieved through several practical strategies. First, you got to utilize public transportation, which is efficient and affordable. The subway and buses cover most areas, and they offer discounts with rechargeable transportation cards. Next, consider eating at local markets or street food stalls instead of restaurants. Meals from these vendors are not only delicious but also much cheaper. You can also save by cooking at home. Man, the sun is strong. Grocery stores like E-Mart or Homeplus offer a wide range of affordable ingredients. Now, when shopping, look for sales and use discount apps like Coupang and Gmarket. I'll put those names in the description. And basically, buying in bulk or during seasonal sales can also help reduce expenses. If you plan to visit attractions, consider purchasing a city pass that offers discounted entry fees for multiple sites. Additionally, take advantage of free cultural expenses. Many parks, museums, and festivals have no entrance fees and can provide a great way to explore Korea's culture without spending much. Lastly, be mindful of your daily expenses. Set a budget and track your spending to identify areas where you can cut back. By being resourceful and strategic, you can enjoy your time in Korea while keeping your finances in check.